Crazy Girl 2. Crazy Girl's back again. Uh-oh. Still isn't taking her meds. Not in a padded room this time. She's in her bedroom. And there's a weird guy over there reading a movie. Don't ask me why, I don't know. Okay, so Crazy Girl's even crazier this time. And at the end there'll be a little surprise. So let's go over to Crazy Girl before she goes ballistic. It's all you, Crazy Girl.
Am I on air?
Yes, Brittany, you're on air.
I can smell the fresh air. Uh-oh, that's a long drop. How about that was bad? Yeah, but that's seriously a really long drop. Uh-oh, I'm gonna die! I'm gonna fall out the window by accident. Very much too. Very much. Uh-oh. I haven't fallen out. Stop loving me! No! What? You don't read movies!
Wow, Crazy Girl actually knows something.
Boom. Tell me when it's time to you know what.
I will. I'll do it when we have about 4:45. It'll take about 15 seconds to get out. Aren't you going to tell us what you wrote on the wall?
No, I'm not going to. You can read it for you. Trevor and Sterling.
Who wrote it?
I'm not going to say. And she get very mad at me. And yes, it was a she! It was a she! I actually told the difference this time. And she's one of my really good friends. Even though she's an idiot. She's like me. Alright, why? Got that. But good girl! I can't find the mouse.
Crazy Girl, are you going to do a show for us? Oh, God. Oh, no. Crazy Girl, I thought you were supposed to be crazy. You're just weird. This looks like a fish. I think she's trying to kiss Joe Jonas.
I can't reach.
And everyone out there, don't stop watching this video just because we like the Jonas Brothers. You don't like them. Don't be so racist.
No! Someone's covering Joe.
Poke again. Poke. Stop poking now.
I'm giving you Joe! You want Joe? Then look at Joe. You can't kiss him.
I think Crazy Girl's a nerd. See what she's doing.
Is it time yet, young one?
Not yet.
No!
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. I see you next Tuesday.
Can you move? Uh-oh.